Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today's video I will show you how to get this dark mode which is showing in this click button, and you can turn it off and turn it on anytime in the messenger app. The best thing I have ever seen in the messenger app, this version. So please check the version first. If you got the latest version, then check the Play Store. If any kind of a update is there, please update it first. You need to update the latest messenger version to get this dark mode. So first check this version. I am already have done it in 2 days ago. So then go to the messenger. You need just simple steps. Open any kind of a chat. I'm checking just everything is fine. The dark mode will not be in there if you are opening for the first time. If you have got some updates, you got the updated right, then you open a chat, send someone any message, any kind of a. So here you can see the emojis. You can enlarge them by pressing and holding them, and you can change the color gradients, and this is the best thing ever I am seen in the messenger updates. This is so fast, so fluent, and the lags which we have been previously seen in the phones, various phones, like if you are using a 4GB RAM phone or a 1GB RAM phone, the things are very simple, and messenger will lag too much after some days or a year after. So this messenger is the best and fluent. So now I'm going to show you the main trick, and there is another thing. You can delete any kind of a message, just I have done. And so first you have to go to the emoji section to get the dark theme, then roll back to the second emoji option and scroll it down to a half moon. The half moon there is the main thing. You have to send it first. So after sending it, some moons will fall down like this, and a pop-up will come that your dark mode is just enabled, or you can use the hardware dark mode. There will be some pop-up. You have to click on it. Quickly going to your profile in the messenger, you will get that the dark mode is waiting for you. Yep, just click on it and the entire thing will be changed in a dark mode. This is more efficient to the night when you are using it in night or low light, or in the street lamps, or outside, like whenever it is in evening. It is good for the eyes, and when you are typing or messaging your friends at the very night, so it will help you to feel good to your eyes actually, and the gradients will look better in this dark mode, and the thing will be changed in the dark mode. This is the main thing. No glitches, nothing else. Everything is simply the best. I think this is a good update for, and actually not an update officially, but you have to trick something to get this update actually, to enable your dark mode, which is important. Since I think this is the end of this video, I guess you have liked this one, and hope that you will like this dark mode on messenger. Hopefully something like other updates like WhatsApp will get some dark mode, and some other stuffs like status will be changed pretty much, and let's see if they give some Instagram kind of a thing. So thanks for watching my videos, and hopefully big it a hit, and thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe.